Psychokinesis is a natural side effect of self-mastery. Via empathy with a target, the proper mindset, and the use of one's natural subtle energy, we can achieve non-local interaction with objects, elements, people, plants, and more. If you would like to experience this phenomenon firsthand, please subscribe to this channel and join us now as Trebor 7 continues his quest to demystify psychokinesis.
Welcome, watchers of weird videos. Hey guys, this is Trebor 7, and this is a follow-up to the video that I uploaded on the autumnal equinox, inviting everyone to join me on October 1st to do the rice experiment. Now, if you'd like to see the first video in its entirety, you can use the card above, or stay tuned for a 45-second recap.
I think I found a way that everyone can see that their words, thoughts, emotions, intentions have an effect on the physical world by doing the old rice experiment. But in essence, what we do is take 3 clear containers and put cooked rice in each one, label 1 bottle hate, 1 bottle love, and do nothing to the 3rd bottle, use it as a control, and see which one molds the fastest or rots the fastest. So this is a great experiment to not only get you introduced into psychokinesis and give you some self-validation, but also to give you a lifelong tool that you can use to help heal others and yourself. It'll also teach you the importance of blessing your food and drink, and can improve your life in many, many ways.
Okay, so here we are. It is October 20th, 2018, and I did the rice experiment as described, though I wasn't quite as diligent as I could have been with the time-lapse photography part of it. We're going to go ahead and open these bottles up and see what we got. And much to my surprise, rice, after sitting in a jar for nearly 3 weeks, has a horrible smell. Oh man, when I first opened this control bottle, I about gagged. It's like a cross between foot odor and sour milk or something. I mean, it's just, whew, it's nasty. But this is the control, and as you can see, it's broken down quite a bit. These jars were nearly full, almost completely full, and this kind of turned into like one big glob. I was kind of shocked at how it was all stuck together, and a lot of water in the bottom of the control jar too. You can see all this extra water. I think that's just part of the natural decomposition of the rice itself, you know. I think that's the way it would decompose if it left on its own. And I think by picking up the hate and the love bottles kind of disrupted the normal progress. But that was the control, and this is the hate. And as you can see, it's got mold, and man, it turned into like more of a pudding or something rather quickly too. I noticed about day 7 or 8 it started changing consistency dramatically. So there's all that nasty goop, and it was pretty rancid too. It was the stickiest of the 3, I would say. That was a lot of hate I put into that thing. And I'm glad it's over. I know a lot of these pictures you saw, you know, previously, those were probably like 30, 60, 90 days into it. But I figured 20 days was enough, and I was due for another video, so I'll go ahead and upload this and show what we got. There's the Grammy old hate stuff. And then last but not least, we're gonna check out the love bottle and see what kind of results we got with it. As you can see, it did decompose like almost a 1/4 of an inch or more, shrunk down, and it's not all light and fluffy like it was when I put it in, but it's not nearly as decomposed as the other 2. As you can see, it kind of still has the form of rice, although there is some sticky goop in there, especially towards the bottom. But it held up pretty good. Sent a lot of love to that rice. I thought I was going to show off and maybe take a bite of the love rice, but it's pretty rancid too. It doesn't look bad, but it smells horrible. So there you go. That's the power of love, my friends. And like I said, you know, it's a good introduction to psychokinesis, seeing how your thoughts and things influence physical matter. But most importantly, I think we should respect the power of love and take advantage of this. I highly recommend getting a all-purpose marker, something that writes on everything, and just write love on the bottom of all your glasses and dishes and whatnot. I mean, surely it can't hurt. And bless your food and water with love. You know, that stuff is powerful. Let's not waste it. All right, so if you did the experiment and would like to share your results, post a link below and I'll do another upload. We'll see what all we can learn from each other. All right, I appreciate you guys watching. It's Trebor 7. Peace.